So today's work is here. Today is grade 25th 7 2078, and here is your classwork and homework of the grade 10 computer science in front of you. So today's topic is call by reference and call by value. So just move to the next one. So call by a reference. Call by reference is a method of calling a procedure in which the reference or address of parameters are passed to the calling procedure module instead of actual value, and by default the parameters are passed using call by reference method. Okay, here we'll see one example of this. Here is one QBasic program in front of you here, and uh, the program is here. So we'll see what are the main topics are here. That in the program, while calling the subprogram check, the parameters D and E are passed to the subprocedure check using call by value reference method. In the submodule, reference address of a D and E are passed to the module and stored in the local variable x and y respectively. When the value of x is increased by 10, the change occurs in the variable D of the main module. In the same way, the value of y of main module is also decreased by 5. That's why output is 15 and 4, means the value of D is 15 and the value of E is 4. Next is call by value. So call by value is a method of calling a procedure in which actual data are passed to the calling procedure module. It is done by enclosing each parameter by separate parentheses. So here we'll see one example of this call by value. In the above program, while calling the subprogram display, the parameter and is passed to the subprocedure display using call the value method, and the submodule value of n is passed to the module and stored in the local variable p. So when the value of the p is increased by 5, the change occurs in the variable p and submodule, as p does not contain the reference of n. So the value of n is not increased by 5. So that's why the output is 5.